doing a video. Going around Largo Central Park's track. Just thought I'd shoot a little video while we're running here. Still got a nice hot fire. Squirrel just ran in front. I don't know if you saw that. We're going to mow him down. Anyway, engine's running well, knock on wood. This is the third day I've run here at Largo. And they have a beautiful track here. We haven't had any derails or any problems. Green truck Heisler running right along. Oops, going downhill. Let's slow down here. That's a little better. Back under the trees. Beautiful park, beautiful track. Anyway, that's kind of a place that things look like. Door box and a boiler. A little shot of oil here. Anyway, door open, pretty much holding 110 pounds of pressure.